Hello everyone. So I just wanted to inform you guys that we have created our own agency, which the agency details as the agency ID, so you can use to join us in the description box. You can join our agency. So this video is a comprehensive guide for those that have joined the agency and want to learn more details after and how to actually start making the money of Boomlive. Okay, so let's get into the video. So firstly, let me just tell you that you need to recharge in Boomlive. You need to recharge to level up, and you need to recharge to level up so you can reach the level 5 for females or level 10 for males, so you can get access to video. Alright, so if you want to recharge, there are two ways to recharge. You can use the in-app purchase or you can use the coin seller. So the coin seller is more better because the value of your money to bitcoins is more better. Okay, let me explain why. The minimum bitcoins you can buy from the from Boomlive is 3,500 bitcoins. Sorry, is 3,500 bitcoins. So that is what 800 naira. If you are using the in-app way, but if you are getting from a coin seller, it is 1,490 naira, which is the minimum, which is $1, and that will get you 9,500 bitcoins. So you can see it's more better than Boomlive Zone. But if you want to go with Boomlive Zone, let me show you the way. So click on open Boomlive, click on your profile picture or profile image, then you see this live center, then click on my wallet, ensure you are in this recharge section, then choose the option you want to recharge, then click on recharge. A Google widget would pop off. Is in that place I'll be able to add in your card and place withdrawal. Now if you want to buy using a coin seller, you join our WhatsApp group, which is in the description box, so you get access to the agency one and you get access to the coin sellers. So when you send message to the coin seller, when you send message to the coin seller, you just be asked to make payment into the account and submit your Boom ID, and then they'll send you the coins to the account. These people are secured and they will not scam you. Don't worry, they will not scam you. But ensure you buy from a Boomlive authorized agent. Don't buy from any other agent before you hear another story. Okay. So now let's move on to the next part of this video. That's what do you do after recharging. So when you are done recharging, you have to go live. So remember that we are going live on audio, not video. Okay, so once you go live on video, you'll be able to give to yourself. So you click on this notification icon, then you click on audio, then you click on go live. So you can choose any theme, topic, discussion, just party, or anyone you want to go for. So when you're in your audio live, you'll be able to gift yourself. You see this wrapped gift icon, click on it, then you'll see where out you're in your live room, and then you can get people to join who will help you, who will gift you and give you engagement on your video, all right, on your audio, sorry, your audio tags. Okay, so now let's now go about to the salary earning ways. That's the ways to make money. So this chart I sent it to the group. This chart is the comprehensive guide on how to make money off Boomlive. Okay, so as you can notice there are different levels, different BStar target, lifetime, BStar salary, and bonus. So let me explain. You have your level. The level you can start off with, go with what you can start with. So there's level F to A, then level S to S12. So S is for like top rated people, that's like super users. Then F to A is just for normal users like me and you. Okay, so now let me explain it. Okay, so when you see that you have level, you have F level, so you can start with the number of visas you can afford to give to yourself, or you can receive. So let's take level 4 for an example. You have 0 lifetime, no minimum lifetime is required. You have to reach a comprehensive BStar target of 500,000 BStars. So how do you end up 500,000 BStars? By buying bitcoins and gifting yourself, which will automatically turn into BStars. Okay, so then you have a BStar salary. This BStar salary is not a real salary, it's actually what you get as that 500,000 BStars. So that's what you get. According to the app, they expect you not to gift yourself but people to gift you, but we are gifting ourselves. So you will be able to, if you gift yourself 500,000 BStars, you will get the $2 equivalent in your wallet. Then your bonus on the 5,000 and 500,000 BStars is $1. As you go up, if you move to 1 million BStars, your BStar salary will be $4, then your bonus will be $2. So basically that's the equivalent of the 1 million BStars is going to be $4. Then your bonus on it will be $2. Then starting from level D, where you have a minimum lifetime which says 8H 4 days. So let me explain. This means you're supposed to go live 2 hours per day, minimum of 2 hours. If you are in this level D, you have to go live minimum of 2 hours per day. Alright, so your BStar target is 1.7 million BStars. Then your BStar salary is $6.8. Then your bonus on top of it is $5.44. As you can see that the bonus is very close to the BStar salary. That's why from this point, from level D, you get higher bonuses. But when you are starting out, you can start out with level F, then go on to level E, then level D, then or you can keep on leveling up or keep on maintaining your level. It depends on how you want it. So now the benefit of joining an agency is because you want to earn money while you wait to level up to level 10 or level 5. Level 5 for females, level 10 for males. So when you reach that level, you'll be able to go to video tax. Mind you, video tax doesn't pay well. So let me tell you the disadvantage of video tax. Number one, it pays only pay you for 2 hours per day, which is restricted to 0.01, which you have to level up that one to be able to gain something significant from video. Number two, it has a lot of requirements. If you break any one of the rules, your account is like banned. You are banned from doing video live. So, and number three, it's not convenient for most people because you can't go on live while doing other things. It won't be comfortable for you. So the video live is very bad, and I'll not encourage you to do it. You are just doing it to get your free $1 for the first week. After that, you move back to audio and continue your thing. So once you switch to video, you'll be able to do your video tax. Then you'll be able to then after that, you now have to fill a form to indicate that you want to switch back to audio fully. Once you fill that form, you cannot be able to switch back to video again. You're going to be with audio. So if you use this method and you'll be able to give to yourself 500,000 BStars in a week, then you'll be able to get your bonus of in total you get $3. So if you add the $3 with the $7 you get, then that means you have gotten the minimum withdrawal. So you can keep on doing it as much as you want. Now let me now explain something I need to inform you. Your BStars bonus gets paid on Monday. So that means you are giving from the Monday that your BStar bonus is paid till Sunday till next week Sunday to be able to reach the minimum BStar target and get your bonus paid. Okay, do you guys understand? If I receive my BStar bonus today of $1, that means I have today is Monday. I have until Sunday to reach the minimum BStars for the same level or any level I want to go to. Then I'll now receive the BStar bonus for it. Okay, so if you want to see more details on this, you can go over to Boomlive. Okay, then over here you click on your profile section. Now this is where to see how many BStars you have been gifted. You can check your old stats, which will show you the BStar income you've gotten. You can choose this week. If you choose this week, you'll be able to see your BStar income. Yeah, you'll be able to see your video if you are doing video or your video. So this way it's showing video because I am registered as a video live because of the free live. So I have to fill a form and switch back to audio live. Okay, so it will be showing audio live. Then I'll be able to see my BStar income for the week. That's why on us you can be able to see if you have reached up to the 500,000 BStars required or the minimum BStars according to that salary chart. Okay, then also you can check your my growth to see your level growth because you need to level up to reach level 10 or level 5 for you to get access to that $7, free $7. Okay, alright, then you'll be able to see any other information you need here, and you'll be able to recharge from this section. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I've explained everything. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the description box. You can join our WhatsApp group where if you go live and you're under our agency, you can share our link, then we will join the live for you and also help you engage and also give you some free gifts. Then you can gift us back so that you'll be able to grow. Alright, so I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye.